Hello Freedom Riders, welcome to Freedom Rider YouTube channel. I want to say hello and welcome to everybody who just recently subscribed to the channel and start following us. And I really appreciate all your likes and comments under the videos. It helps the channel grow and be visible more widely in YouTube. Today we are going to look at the brake pads, and we will be changing brake pads in the Sportster 2019 Iron 1200 with the ABS. So without further ado, what we need to do first is remove we're going to start with the rear brakes. So first we need to remove the one bolt from the shocks just to get out of the way so we can undo the brakes. And then we have two bolts that holds the brake. You need the socket number 10 for it, and so first we need to do that, and then we have a bolt that holds the brake pads that we need to remove also. But before we remove the pads, we have to make more space for the new pads. So I'm going to just use a screwdriver and the old pads to decompress the piston that is inside, so that is pressing the brakes together. Just using that, and I'm going to throw away the old pads anyway. So to make a space, you just need to spread it, and that's it, really, not a big deal. Yes. thank you for watching. I hope that it was helpful for you guys, and it encourage you to do it by yourself at home. It's pretty easy and simple job to do, and you know that can save you some money. You don't have to go to the garage and pay enormous money for just the simple jobs. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you liked the video, press the like button, and any question just leave under the comments. And yeah, so be free, stay free, and ride free.